Okay, so for this next step, I'm going to show you how to set up an order form. So I'm going to add a new step. We're going to type in order form. And if you want to charge credit cards, the only way you're going to be able to do that is go to Sales Order Form. And these are the pages, the templates that you're going to want to create. Now, if you don't want to use any of these templates, you want to start from scratch. Unfortunately, you just have to select any templates and then delete everything on the page, which works totally fine. I like to go grab some simplified forms down here and then make them better. So let's go ahead and select this random template. Okay, so this is my step-specific form. Because there's all kinds of pages created in this system, it creates unique URLs. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Publishing and change that URL real quick. Clean it up. I can also go here and clean up this URL. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go to Edit. Okay, from the Edit page now, we can create new form fields. So the form fields are all down here. You can create customized ones, or you can drop in the billing address and the shipping address, or you can add the individual fields yourself and recreate each of them. And so when you drop the individual fields yourself, you would go here to and use these items in order to make sure you have all the required fields for placing a credit card order. And then notice that this credit card block is all one block. You don't have to recreate that. That is literally just an element itself. And so that is this credit card block here. You also have other types of options. An order select box looks like this. This is an order select box where you will create different products. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And then the customers will be able to select the products here. And when they do select the product, it will update this block, this element. And this element is called the order summary. So you have the order select, the credit card, and the order summary block. Okay. And then you've got just a standard button here that submits to the page. Okay, so those are the different elements of an order page. And you can come in and create those. Once you have all those elements created properly, and your order page is styled the way that you want it to be, you will need to come back to the funnel page. Make sure you have the order form selected, and you're going to create products that the customers can purchase on that page. So when I click on products, and now I have the option to see all the products available for this page. I click on Add Product. And the first step that I'm going to do is select the Stripe payment gateway that I've integrated. I can choose if I want to do a subscription that never ends, a payment plan that eventually ends, or a one-time purchase. So I'm going to select one-time purchase and move on. I then want to enter the product details. This is what the customer is going to see right here. And then you can go ahead and set any kind of price that you would like. But this is the price the customer is going to see, right? So a lot of different options on how you might want to display that. If you don't choose anything, it's just going to format this as money symbol. If it's a physical product and you want to calculate shipping, you're going to want to enter that information here. And then if you want to customize what shows on the customer's credit card statement, you can enter that information here, along with the product description if that's available on the credit card statement. There's also a couple of different options for the product page, like order bumps. If you're using the two-step order form, that is an element on the page. This is how you would add that order bump there. If you want different inventory to show 100, and we've already sold 57, you could do that sort of urgency items there. We're just going to move to the next step. Now here, if I was going to do a shirt with multiple colors or multiple sizes, I could do that. Now, when you create product variations, you're only allowed to have one product on the page. So you can choose to do a bunch of different payment plans and different products, or one product with variations. After they have purchased, this is the fulfillment email that will confirm their order. So it's the order confirmation or the opt-in confirmation, whatever you want to do here for that email. Typically, if you were selling a membership area, you could select which membership area you had created here that they would go to. So for follow-up actions, if you want to move the customer to a different customer list inside of ClickFunnels, or if you have HubSpot integrated and you want to move them to a list in HubSpot, you can make those adjustments here if you have HubSpot connected. And then that way, after a customer purchases, you can move them around on different segmented lists. For shipping, this is if it was a physical product and you wanted to add them to ShipStation or some other program that allows you to create shipping labels and ship out the products. And then the final step is just showing you a summary of everything you've created. Once you're happy with that creation, go ahead and return to the product list. All your items are already saved as you go through the step. So this is now what we show on the order form for the customer. So I'm going to jump back over to the order form. And I'm going to click on this little icon here to go view what it looks like. Now you can see I have my product available, and when I click it, this updates with the items. You can see that this is the credit card form, and this is Stripe's integration right here. Now, if I enter in my credit card information, it will bill my credit card and show me that Leading Edge Roofing just charged me $20,000. So it's pretty simple integration.